I'll show your view about Rapperholic.
Well,
they're good.
Yeah, I mean, if Sarkodie I underestimate the star power, I think say we Emmanuel and revisit the weight of the influence.
Okay.
In fact, I only thought he had transitioned from an artist, a brand, a institution, but from what I've witnessed, she said he could be called a religion.
Okay.
Because he will never tour and go for no matter what they see, I stand for it. Tribe, religion.
Yeah.
The gods are not to blame.
Not to blame.
The lead character near friend
Odewale.
Oh, Obi cassette and tribe. Oh, see, I did tell me a bit me. I'm tribe, and then come so tribe, then religion. That is why you speak against Obi deity. They will die for that deity.
I wrote him in a tribe. Ola Rotimi, things fall apart.
Things fall apart.
Yeah.
I mean, no, but so that is just to say, sir, ultimately a concept. Now we are talking about the quality of people that came. Quality and conform on BBD. These are people who are packed luxurious cars.
Yes.
And they see a virgin soon, mama. These are ordinarily. I didn't know about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so I can one more 3 a.m. No, they are family guys and all that.
I did your more class.
What they are saying. But then these people decide through the rains near there. It takes a religion for people to endure this harsh conditions to be there for you. Are you getting it? So I mean this is and I said be eye opener be, and I said change a lot of narrative about Sarkodie. One, the fact that man for himself or arrogant and that's on penipa. Now for
kind of correct.
No, I mean you know me, you know me so well, say or deflating the ego. Now I've got to realize say and your baby near Kafano is go say a ferry anyhow or shy away from a biani say controversy adiba ko kakan say your uncle football crowd or invite Tom some brow RAPPERHOLIC or ferry so be from when him so how so because Sarkodie friend on TV in charge no into I out you know say send the people friend e bia ko gig papa bibo ba minti o de manim ferry into say o hwe o say nkofo go mo ahwa na bia landlord e be puli apo enti why explain this thought process into why artist na bia only no relationship na ofre o be say on rating there be ono mo dwene ho say e bia na o sika papa bi je ba no nti na bia o de nanim ferry agi atum enti ferry no for the better say arrogance. 2 Oba no deflating ego eye nyoma ordinarily onye
obeda ko na PZ on
she see the chicheku near him grow ne ho and he was getting along.
Yes.
The caskets especially adia ba ko pa ye di huru na se be ha no and so the casket se be ne se chedin and so we say there we lose ne ho.
Yes.
Osasre Obaye, he empowered Uncle For no may say what a so conflict in so away, pontifice. She promotion of the man, Cornum so ni be a promo mark of flake impact. Oma or call more platform see say artists akase my yeshu wie Marie and so the station be I mean I'm a metua for her abedamasi. That is not I for own and say Mr. Kwesi I say, hey, ain't you also going to me?
Yeah, I saw Sarkodie. I could say about it to me, Gina.
No, but it's not even about him.
It's not about him. Like Mimi Matthias, you say, ni banana or
no. To even get him,
yes, I make sure.
To even get him on a normal day to even respond to the man. But like I'm saying, say, breaking a lot of, or bending a lot of principles.
Hey, only the fans did he and son
ordinarily, the shutter way in lie.
Exactly.
But he did it. Pre-RAPPERHOLIC concert, PZ. What they are saying. And for the first time, he risked his life, second for flight, in 10 years on Far Kumasi Road. All Nyama we are when you know, a max machine differently. And if you see his conversation, that's to say he came alive. He's never experienced this kind of organic. look, industry need a fake kakra. Oh, baby, our fake. Say no shatter can say. Oba Kumasi the way he feels now.
Yes.
Oh yes, energy no baby. Obenya no two about it now. And I feel Sarkodie has also felt how I am for no. Say oh my reason to feel say you are part of us Obua. And Sarkodie before RAPPERHOLIC no. If a be of Becca said, no someone for reason continue or be yeah RAPPERHOLIC to what homecoming then home be treated something. But we have history to receipts. Sarkodie always opposition Asante. Songs for Asante region, an investment by signing one of our biggest rappers. It's one of the he came to do investment by signing Strongman.
And our cover too.
Yes. These are part of the commitment. Over the last 3 years or so, all the biggest projects are with Americans. Kwaku Flake, Kwaku Smoke, Beast Trap. Joshua J. Bad near the kid. And even American movement in the Bayern. Hey, Tama Ede Yaltog compare no Yaltog will be greater than you near the he was still supporting the whole American movement. He has shown our trajectory in history too. And you are yet to be committed to the Ashanti creative, So it's not because of RAPPERHOLIC. I don't want it.
Okay.
Make me anymore. Then also, what's up be about loopholes I warrior creative economy no. Look, this was more than a show. This was like I don't know, a deba festival near that even events leading to Nyomo Chess or respected and dialogue I take your opportunity. I can't Nyoma hire chair tourism minister. I can't opin Nyoma Bibri. Yes, seem to I so and that's Sarkodie, the impact on creative economy in Papa, put some more Airbnb, one Sarkodie, or more hotels. Airbnb near the Lucrasica now say patch.
Sarkodie nanga say pe fly Germany yere kwa no nya bi.
Aviation for no kobuso records our passion.
Yeah.
The inflow of people I buy within that 1 week name go for a free chair be booking in advance.
Yes.
Kumeka t-shirt ni nyoma ye ton flag Asante my flag. Sales
25.
Na even ponade was say be ye nimguase man of to say nso atono and what say business boom ma obi record akwa no record no some reason
5 cities per 5 cities 20 50
boom
a bit 100
so imagine this person and it's the American say with what Sarkodie has done young kofobu ha me appeal says Sarkodie nipa bia ni kwan say politics attaching. There are some people that need to be protected. Let's
the one about social media
okay, sir, okay. Oh, sorry. Where?
Papa be too gospel.
Yes, Sarkodie, there are some people that should be treated like that. No matter how much political inclination, don't touch them. Because I'm brand here with beyond the wabe or no why sabe. Oko BET Okoji award.
That was 2019.
30-second speech per Emma Ghana recorded one of the highest tourism boosts ever.
Okay.
Oji BET award. No, say this year is going down in Ghana. Year beyond year of 10. So any of you here in the BET room, if you come to Africa, choose Ghana. The quality of investors that came here because of Nano Asem. To sign a diplomatic passport, I think so deserve Ruby.
Sure.
Because he's a whole industry on his own. And so I like the fact that say we cry being and he said there is more to do. Say you wrote to Ferguson on Tiasi so only few I'm on project and these are some of the things chimba or bar because the entire or connected to the entire the Memphis the payment but me I dare me say I'm mobile no you take your opportunity and for man tourist sites BT say Lake Bosomtwe because I'm sure Sarkodie will be interested in investing over there because
Memphis
that place no you then let me also commend the media fraternity and the Ashanti regional minister. Amazing support near there. But maybe it's because he gave respect to all the quarters that needed.
Yeah.
100%. However, were proven beyond reasonable doubt. Say the amount for Senecaria taking nosedive near the I think said this one will change the conversation after this one because he say landlord. And I think he elevating landlord. Say were you there?
Is it and go for his who on us landlord? I say him for now.
So I'm super excited for, and now no Abua might say your conversation now. Even politicians are interested in our creative space right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
They say interest now a grown. So I'm just glad that now you let me out. Akasa power say oh when you go say yeah but if you had a capacity and you bet me akata so anka we and you come say for the decide is on beche do ntimi so mpanyin phone so escafo ya wa adum stores na stores pamo show enye bibia na adum stores na ade pamo show we are music executive
adum stores dey because we see
but me can so police can bra
ye obi adwuma
corporate
the typical Kumasi businessman.
Did you pity say Hana a lucrative job?
Yeah, so then
I'm stores because
oh yeah, I bet me distributing channels.
Exactly that.
But I'm saying that there's a lot of untapped market. Some mobile. Maybe I am some music executives no, but we should do our best. Maybe let's go and market it and make it lucrative. Mama who say there's market be so maybe who say that burn away mama for long. But then we can tell them say this is an industry. So yes, I'm glad because everyone was affected. Obi Pro interview Sarkodie Kekempo or say next station befana the poaching fee cost. Yeah. Just because you interview Sarkodie, it's true.
Yes.
In a way, a radio station now befamia.
It's true.
Oh, befam the man
profile.
I say to way shut about that now. So my interview so on one the papa obiya the skit makers, media people. Vendors obia enyane so ne dey. So such a person, I feel he's an asset for Ghana. Let's not politics and footages and can say yeah your policy document be here na you invite no NDC grandpa you invite no because yeah the Sarkodie MPP affiliation victimizing now we lose at that point in time but only if you lose. So let's invite such people over and protect them against political victimization.